Hello there. As you can see, the Midi Chord pedal has three sections or layers. Starting from above, the first two layers incorporate all the possible basic minor and major chords of Western music in the cycle of fourths. The first layer refers to the minor chords. That's why you see the M in front of the letters. The second layer refers to the major chords. So the first two layers are dedicated to Western music. Now, I would like to explain the existence of the Roman numerals on the third layer of the Midi Chord pedal. I would like to explain the Roman numerals and what they stand for. For example, let's look at the right side of the Midi Chord pedal, where you can see the Roman numerals 7th flat minor, 1st, 2nd flat, and 4th minor. These numerals represent respectively the 7th, 1st, 2nd, and 4th degrees of the scale of the ethnic mode or makam Hijaz. And its variations, like for example Hijaz Kar. Now, taking as your base the C major tonality or key, when you press on the numeral 1, it will give you the C major chord, which is, of course, is our tonic. Next to it, on the right, we have 2nd flat, which gives us the D flat major chord. That's why you see the flat accidental. Next to that, you see 4th minor, and when you press on it, you will get the F minor chord. To the left of the numeral 1, you will see the 7th degree represented by the numeral 7th flat minor, which produces the chord B flat minor. So the four chords we have, starting from the 7th flat minor, which is B flat minor, are B flat minor, then 1, which is C major, then 2 flat, the 2nd flat, which is D flat major, and the 4th minor, which is F minor. The reason for having the 7th next to the first one and not next to the 4th to the far right is because the 7th degree most of the time resolves to 1, to the first degree. And so does the second degree, which also resolves to the first. So, ergonomically speaking, the position of the seventh degree is ergonomically correct. It is correct. But what happens if you're playing a song in Hijaz mode or Makam, but not in C, you might ask? Well, let's say you're playing in D major. Simply, you press the transpose button on your workstation, on your DAW, twice. In other words, 2 steps up from C, and this time, when you press on numeral 1, you get D major. On numeral 2 flat, you get E flat major. On fourth minor, you get G minor, whereas pressing on the seventh flat minor will give you C minor. So all in all, you have just a reminder, when you hit the transpose button on your DAW, your workstation, that does not only affect your third layer with the Roman numerals, but also the other 2 layers with the chords, the European chords. Okay, now let's move on to the other side of the third layer with Roman numerals again, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4. To the right of fourth minor, you can see 2 switches with the inscription minor major. When those 2 switches are positioned to the minor position, then you can have access to the ethnic mode or Makam Usak, which sounds like this scale-wise, with your tonic C minor. So here we go. And the chords starting from the 7th degree sound like this. And back to tonic. In other words, B flat minor, C minor, D flat major, E flat major, F minor. Now, as you can see, the 7th degree is connected to one of the switches. And since the 7th degree in Usak is B flat minor, you can change with the switch to major. And by the same token, the 1st degree, your C minor, is connected to the other switch and can change from minor to major. In this way, you have access to more than 2 modes, more than the Usak on the left with the 2 switches on minor, and the Hijaz and its variations on the right side. But besides that, you also have access to more maqams or modes, ethnic maqams or modes, by incorporating the European chords within your ethnic mode chords. That was a brief tutorial about the third layer of the Midi Chord pedal that refers to ethnic music. You can read more details on our manual. Thank you.